Question 1. Tick the correct columns in the table to classify each number. Welcome to Home of Math. For math practice of IGCSE, this is very important video for you, where we are reviewing number concept, and today we will discuss different types of numbers. Let's start. So before tick the correct column, we have to know about natural number, integer, prime and fraction. Number 1, natural number. We know about this, but we are trying to reviewing this one. First, natural numbers are the set of positive whole numbers which is starting from 1. These are numbers used for counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But some peoples are using including 0 as a natural number. But this depends on the context. So usually 1 to 9 is a natural number. No fraction. Integer. Second one is integer. Integers are the set of whole numbers including positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So it should be minus infinity including 0 plus infinity, right? Like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 to 3. Integers do not include fractions or decimal. It means A by B is not include fraction, include integer. Third one, prime numbers. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no divisors other than 1 and itself. Like 7. We can divide 7 only by 1 and 7. Okay? But look, 6 is not a natural number because we can divide by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So prime number, that kinds of number which can divide by 1 and itself. And our last topics, which is fraction. A fraction represents a part of a whole number and is expressed A by B, where A is a numerator and B is a denominator, which is should integer, and B should not equals to 0, because once B becomes 0 it will be undefined. Now look, fraction has 3 types. First one is proper fraction, where numerator is less than denominator, like 3 by 4, and once we divide this one the result should be less than 1. Improper fraction, where numerator is larger than denominator and the result should be greater than or equal to 1. And mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, so we are trying to discuss about different types of number. Now we will start about correct tick in the column. First, here is minus 0.2. So once we see minus, we have to think about does it integer, but integer saying no fraction including integer. So the correct thing is it should be fraction, right? Minus 57. Is it a natural number? No, it's not natural number, because natural number saying it should be positive whole number. So here is minus, so it should integer, right? Now look, 3.142, it's a what? It's a fraction. 0 is a integer. 0.3 it's a fraction. 1 it's not prime number, because 1 can divide only 1, but in prime number it should be larger than or greater than 1. So we can given tick in natural number and integer. 51 is a natural number. It's a what? It's a integer, but it's not prime number. 10270, it's obviously natural number, right? And it should integer. Minus 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 4 it's a fraction. 2 by 7 it's a fraction. 11, look, 11 it should natural number, it should integer, and definitely it's a prime number, right? Now final one, cubic root of 512. Look, 512 once we divide by 2, it should what? Here is 2, 2 to the 4, so 1, so 5, 6, 256, right? Then we can divide by 2, 128, divide by 2, 64, divide by 2, 32, divide by 2, 16. 16 can divide by 2, it will be 8, again divide by 2, it will be 4, again divided by 2, it will be 2. Now based on cubic root we can make pair 3 numbers. So 1, this one and this one 2, and this one 3. So from here we can take 2, from here you can take 2, and from here we can take 2. So 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 is a 8. So cubic root of 512 it will be 8. 8 is a natural number, right? 8 is a integer. So this is a answer. So this is a very easy way to learn about different types of numbers. But before solve these kinds of table, you should know about the definition and example or any kinds of note of numbers. Okay, so number 1 done. Our next part, list. So first question, it means 2a. 4 square numbers greater than 100. Square number need greater than 100. It means this 100 means what? 10 square. So we have to need about 11 square, we can write 121. Then 12 square, it will be 144. Then 13 square, it should be 169, and 14 square, it should be 196. And all are what? All are greater than 100. This is our answer. Okay. Number B. 4 rational numbers smaller than 1 by 3. So what is a rational number? Rational number, it's that kinds of number which we can express by P by Q. So 1 by 3, we need less than 1 by 3. 1 divide 3, so less than 1 by 3 we can write 1 by 4, 1 by 6, suppose 2 by 7 or 2 by 9, etc. Okay. So number B done. Number C. two prime numbers that are what? That are greater than 80. So two prime numbers which is greater than 80. We can say suppose 83 which is greater than 80 and it should prime number, and also 89 it's a prime number. If you want more, suppose 97 is a prime number, 101 is a prime number. Okay, so the question done. And we need the prime numbers which is less than 10. Number D. Less than 10 prime number like 2, 3, then 5, then 7. 9 is not a prime number because 9 can divide by 1, 9 and 3. So less than 10, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So no need to, we want to stop now. No need more math to this because we already discussed about two types of math based on different types of number. So keep practice at home, subscribe my channel, share your opinion in the comments box how I can express myself to make math practice based on Cambridge IGCSE, and also these kinds of math are very important for SET and grade 9, 10 or less than 10. So thank you very much. No more today. Pray for me, pray for my channel. Thank you.